Hello internet friends, in this video I am installing the fuel cap base receiver. Not sure what this piece is called without looking at the plans, but it's basically the piece that receives the fuel cap. So I'm going to call it fuel cap receiver just because I'm too lazy to go look up what it actually is called. I'm sure Vans has a part number that is like VA-T for tank, some number that probably makes sense to them. But yeah, quick note about this fuel cap. Vans sells it with the non-locking fuel cap. So that's how you get it in the kit. You can get the locking fuel cap from Aircraft Spruce. It's just the fuel cap, not the receiver. One nice thing about this one that comes from Vans is that it's already countersunk, so you literally just rivet it on and you're done. You put Pro Seal on it, then you rivet it, then you're done. Yeah. What else can I say? I highly recommend locking fuel caps. If you've ever had the experience of someone putting jet fuel in your piston aircraft tank, that's not a fun experience, especially if you start the engine. Luckily, I've never been in that experience or situation starting the engine, but I have had jet fuel in my tanks, and it's not fun to drain out all of the fuel. And my wife came and helped me push on the skin a little bit to make the rivet flush to the skin. And she can stand the smell of Pro Seal for about 10 seconds, so that's as much help as I got here. But as you can see, it's achievable to do most of this by yourself. The less fun part is doing the thing. Oh, and I did 3D print a 65 millimeter disc. So you just make a 1 millimeter tall, 65 millimeter diameter disc that fits on top of the fuel cap and then blocks the Pro Seal. Speaking of blocking Pro Seal, because that makes sense, scan these QR codes and then join our chat groups and then tell us how much you don't like Pro Seal. And I'll see you there and see you in the next video.